That's okay.
How did it move?
Okay.
How do they move? Huh? You already answered that question. How do they move?
Oh,
It's a projection.
I know this.
How do they move?
In a packaging markers.
No, you're talking about something totally unrelated. Pectin is mucus. Pectin is something found in your nose. Go back. Go back. How do they move?
Roughly.
No,
Yes,
Raffies.
roughly.
But they use Raffies. It's sort of it's sort of like a propulsion system where they use one Raffis opens, sucking matter in.
No,
No.
it's a canal. It's a slit. It's a line like a tube inside that allows what?
That
Water, just water to come in. And then the water inside becomes pressurized.
and then they use it as sort of like jet propulsion.
They don't use it, they don't think. This is just little things floating. The water tries to get out through the other end. And as it tries to get out, produces propulsion, produces movement. It's the water moving it. It's not like that. Tony's thinking, I'm gonna go right, gonna go left. No. Okay? It's just simply water going inside and making them move through a canal.
Okay.
So you need to put a picture there to show. It's plenty in the internet and also in books. So people can see how the Rafi works. Okay? Watch out there with the. What are you doing? Yeah, what are you doing? Michael?
Huh?
What are you doing?
What?
What are you doing? Says over there. Huh?
On the top.
Okay, now James. From Michael to James. So James, what are we doing?
That's supposed to be omega-3, right?
What?
Omega-3 or
Omega 3.
oh my god. Oh.
Okay, oh my God, 3. Okay.
Oh my god. On the first page is omega.
What?
On the first page.
Can we continue, please? Time is almost up. Hurry. So Leila, you're taking notes, right? A lot of the things that you should write to. You should know what you're talking about. All right. Do sketchy, guys. Come on. So what are you doing?
Oh, it's like a
What? You can't say that.
A series of experiments about the Aqua One group.
Okay.
Yes.
We're
You're trying to do what?
trying to figure out how to get Aqua One to grow most efficiently with the least use of resources.
Why you want to do it? That's the next question. Why you want to do it?
We're doing this for several reasons. The first is that there could be a possible medical and fuel opportunities. For example, Aqua One in algae has already been starting to harvest and been put in pills and is being used as an antitoxin and can help.
Actually, it's number one treatment drug right now. Non-medical, number one drug treatment for heart problems. Anyone with heart problems is taking right now omega-3 pills like crazy. There's studies that say if you mix omega-3 with omega-6, omega-6 comes from where? Green algae. The fish get it from where? Algae, very good. The green stuff. Right? Mix them both and it's very beneficial for the heart, right? You paying attention? Your heart disease right there, you got it. Prevents strokes, heart disease, liver, kidney problems. It was a wonder drug. Also for biofuels, right?
And because it has oil, we can in the it has lipids and lipids are oil. We can use it in things like butter or cooking oil, and we can also use it as biofuels. And
Exactly.
since biofuels from diatoms compared to normal biofuels like from soybean, corn, and potatoes are, the energy difference is a scale of 100.
What's the problem with diatom biofuels? It's the number one problem. Think of what Layla is doing.
It is difficult to extract.
Very good.
break the
Which is what Layla is gonna tell us. How is it that we can extract it? Go ahead. Next. Don't put so much like slides. More, very few letters, more pictures, right? Otherwise, it's a little bit difficult to follow. Okay.
Now, how are we doing this? As I might have mentioned before, we're using the orthogonal. Now, orthogonal was developed by this guy, and it was originally for computers, a troubleshooting program, still used today. And but this troubleshooting program is helping us to figure out the optimal conditions for apple one to
Okay.
growing.
And what
Now,
have you found? Keep on going. Keep on going. I want to see what you
I did
found.
some research and I found out that the amount of variables dictates the amount of the amount of the different
Repeats. Yeah.
like using the formula, the number of variables squared. So for us, since we have 3 variables, square that and it equals to 9. So we're doing 9 repeats.
Mm-hmm.
Anyway, I'm using it. So far, it has been successful.
Okay. Show us the results. Come on. Move along, please. Move. Next slide.
Huh?
The results again. Next.
What
Next.
else?
Where's your results? I'm gonna know what you're doing. If you don't get any results, it's the only thing that matters. You can eliminate everything you've written. It's not important. The important thing is your tables, your results. The stuff that you did for Google Fair has to be there, and 90% of your talk should be about that. Otherwise, you got nothing. People are gonna say, well, so what did you do? What did you find? We don't see it. Where is it?
In a different PowerPoint.
Where is it? Show us.
USB.
That's what we need. How much time we have left?